Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Cherokee Specialist. So I'm just popping in on the guys unannounced. They're in here tearing off the roof on a Grand Design Solitude. Hey Dave, do you remember what happened? Did they tear the roof? Did they hit a tree or something? Yeah. A tree branch? Okay. So anyways, I'll check out what year this is, but I just wanted to show you that, you know, when you're removing these roofs, as you can see down here, see how it's actually pulling off the OSB. So they're having to yank these roofs off in strips. Sometimes the roofs are glued really good, sometimes they're not. This one was glued down really good. So you can see all the chips on here where everything got removed. So this roof is going to require an overlay, especially you can see the thickness of how that comes off. So they're both up there right now pulling this roof off. I believe we're submitting to the manufacturer, not to the manufacturer, but to the insurance company to do an overlay on it. And their information on the VIN is faded, so I can't tell you what year it is offhand without going to the work order. But it's the same thing. So see how these roofs have to get yanked off in pieces. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and I will try to get another video from up top where they were actually working on it. All right, thanks so much. Talk to you soon. It's Dustin, Cherokee Specialist.